What is up, everybody? The Master Trader himself here from Trading Billions Academy. Super excited. So in this particular video, I'm going to walk you through this new boom and crash strategy that can heal you or make you all the way up to 50 USD daily. So that's a thing. And for those people that have not yet joined our Telegram channel, we actually give free signals. We don't charge for any signals. We make money in the financial market while charging for signals. So the same signals that I enter, I do post them in our Telegram channel. So ensure that you use the link in the description and go and join our Telegram channel. And you can check out the description. There are some links that might help you and help your trading journey. So that's a thing. So in this particular video, like I said, I want to actually help you on how you can maximize your profits using this strategy. So like I always say, the problem that I've seen in the financial market, especially when it comes to traders, is not necessarily that they don't have the data or the information to execute trades, but the problem that is there is that a lot of people don't have enough capital to trade in the financial market. So I come up with these videos of strategies on how you can actually maximize and grow that a small amount of money. It can be 5 USD, 10 USD, to at least something that's substantial in order for you to actually trade long trades. So that's a thing. So I hope this entire video will be of help to you. I just want you to follow step by step exactly everything I'm going to share in this video, and trust me, yeah, it will be life-changing. Trust me. So basically that's the thing. So this is how the setup will look at the end of it or after setting it up. So I'm going to just come there. If at all you are new and you don't know where exactly to come, you come on that F signal. These are the signals that these are the indicators that we're going to use in this particular strategy. So there will be a moving average, there will be a relative strength index, there will be Ichimoku, another relative strength index, and the money flow index. So these are the ones that we're going to use. So I'm going just to quickly delete them and set them up with you guys so that you can know exactly what to do. So I'll go there, I'll delete it, delete that one, and delete that one, and I will come on a blank chart just like this. So this is a blank chart, and we are in to start putting our indicators. So we come on the F again, we click there, you come on the main window, we click there, and we start with the moving average. So guys, when it comes to the moving average, especially when it comes to the style, please guys, use exactly the same colors that I'm using so that you cannot be confused as far as following along is concerned. So we are going to use a period of 60, shift to 0, method exponential, apply to close. The levels, just leave them the way they are. Visualization or time frames, and when it comes to the style, just put green. The main reason we are using a 60 moving average, like you all know, to say that a 50 60, it will actually show you the trend of the market. So that's a thing. So you click on okay, and here we can see the trend of the market. So if this moving average is below the market, we know to say that okay, this is the uptrend. And when this is above, where in this circumstance is above the market, we know that we are going in a downtrend. So that's the thing. So basically the moving average is mainly used to know the trend of the market. So that's a thing. So I hope that is clear. So the next thing that we're going to do is coming back here again, and we're going to click on main window there, the plus icon, and we are going to come for the relative strength index. We click there, and here the period will be 1, and we're applying to close, and the levels are 10 and 9. So just click there. So you're going to label the 10 will be your buy, your sale will be a 90, and here the star will be black. Yes, the star will be black, and you click done. And here when it comes to the star here, ensure that you put the color that is on your background. If your background is white, put white. If it's black, put black. But I'll advise you for this particular strategy to just use the colors that I'm using. So which simply means your background should be white in order for you not to be confused. And you click OK, and there we'll have our relative strength index. It will have a sell there, and it will have a buy there. So, and it will be plain and blank there. So we're going to come again on the F icon, and we're going to now put in the indicator window 1. We click there, we are putting another indicator in the indicator window 1, and this indicator is called the Ichimoku. So I want you to exactly, guys, I want you to exactly just put exactly the same things that I've put in the indicator itself. Put exactly the same thing. So that's the thing. So here when it comes to the Shinkansen, I want you to put 90 9 here, and when it comes to the next one, I want you to put 26. The next one, which is a span B, I want you to put a 52. And the Shinkansen is the only one that is going to have a different color, guys. So put a color of red here, and when it comes to Kunjin-sen and all these other, like this the spin and up combo and down combo, just put exactly the same color of the background. If you can see there, the background is white there. Even here background is white, so put white. Background is white, put white. For even for the down combo, put white because the background is white. But for the Shinkansen, ensure that you put it to be red, and you click done. So exactly copy exactly this same thing that I've done here and click done, and you have it here. You have it here, there. You're going to have it there, guys. So that's the thing. And again, you're going to come again there, and you are going to add another indicator in the main window. So you're not adding it on the indicator window 1, but main window. You click there. We are getting again the relative strength index with a same exact settings that we actually had to do in the previous one, and click done, and we'll have it down there. And from there we are going to click again, and we're going to come on the indicator window 2, and we're going to click there, and we are now going to look for the money flow index. Trust me, it will make your money, just like the name itself. So for the money flow index, you're just going to leave everything at default, guys. Everything should be at default. So you're not changing anything here. Everything should be at default. The style should be at default as blue. From here, the period should be 14, and the volume should be a tick, and the levels should be 90 and 10, and or no time frame in terms of visibility, and click done, and you have it exactly there. So from here, I believe you can even now, it's self-explanatory, you can even catch it for some of you. So that's the thing. And before I go further in the video, please guys, it will take nothing from you. Ensure that you subscribe to the channel. If you have not yet subscribed to the channel, hit that icon bell so that you can be notified each and every time I drop an interesting video like this one. And ensure also that you share the video with your friends and your loved ones, and also like the video so that it can reach to as many people as it can reach out to, because there are a lot of people that would want to get this knowledge that you're getting right now. Thank you so much. So let's get back to the video. So the thing is this, guys, like I explained here, we can see to say that this is down here, which simply means it's in an uptrend. If the moving average is down the market, it simply means it is in an uptrend, the market. If it's up, like we explained, simply means the market is in a downtrend. So it's somewhat opposite. So that's the thing. So this is very important on the window main chart, But also this is very important here. So here you are going to be looking for when the market is going to touch the buy signal, which is your 10. You get the point, right? When the market touches this, you should ensure also that you see that the market was nearly approaching the buy or has touched the buy in this window. So you should ensure that it has almost touched there or it has touched there. The moment you see this one touching here and this one touching here, and overall the market has now shown that it's now in an uptrend in terms of your moving average, because your moving average is now down on the market. You enter from exactly where the market will close this moving average. So for example, when the market is here, right? When the market is here, you can see to say that okay, the market is just there, and there the market is there. You will not enter from there because the market is there. No, guys. So you're only entering the market if you see the market has closed the moving average. So the moment the market closes the moving average, you put your entry position here and you ride with the market. And you're going to ride with the market. You're going to be riding with the market until it closes the moving average, starting to go down. So in short, you're going to be in the market from somewhere there, guys, from somewhere there when you just see that close until somewhere there. Let me just do this in order for you to get to understand how you'll be in the market for a long period of time, guys. For a long period of time, you'll be in the market for a long period of time. So you'll be there, and this is actually 30 minutes. It works well on the 30 minutes, but it also works on the 15 minutes as well, but it works well on the 30 minutes. So that's, just imagine this is a long trade. Just imagine from here, guys, my 30 minutes chair, these candles are 30 minutes, 30 minutes, 30 minutes, 30 minutes, 30 minutes. You'll be in the market from here up to here. This can yield you a lot of money. You can start with a 5 USD and you can, just one position, it can yield you 50 USD, guys, just starting from here up to there. So that's how this strategy is working. So you just ensure that it closes, and this strategy is working or even on the opposite side. So we can actually just look for the opposite side. So the thing that is the secret is this, guys. Ensure that the secret that is here is this, guys. Ensure that the market is trending, which simply means ensure that the market is falling. If it's falling, directly it's falling, you catch for those, because it's a long trend. So you catch when the market is, if it's buying, you ensure that when it's buying rapidly, that's when you enter. When it's falling, you ensure that when it's falling rapidly, that's when you enter. So that's how it is working. So for example, here we saw that it was there. Here it touched the sell. Even here it touched the sell. So that's the thing. Even there it touched the sell. But what we need to ensure is that when it touches here, even there it should approach. But if you saw here it touched, but it wasn't that much close to the sell zone. So we don't enter. We only enter here when we see that it's nearly there, if you can see. And here, if you can see, it was there, it closed there. So we would have entered from there, guys. Would have entered from starting way here, guys, up to somewhere way there, somewhere there. Would have entered this market from somewhere there, guys, there, just after that close, up to somewhere way there. You see, right? So no matter what it does, no matter what it does in terms of, no matter what it does coming here whatsoever, it will still go until there. But there will be some people that might be scared to say, okay, I enter from here, they come out from there, according to what I said, to say that the moment you see they go, yes, you can go out, which simply means it's not a small amount of money starting from here, depending on the lot size that you're using, up to there, guys. It's a lot. It's a lot of money from just there up to there. There are so many pips from here up to there. So that's the thing. But the moment you close, if you want to be safe, just go out the moment it closes that thing. But if at all you're patient enough, you can go with it all the way up to there, guys. So that's the thing. So this strategy, I've proved it. I don't bring things that I've not proved on this channel. So ensure that you use a demo account to start with, backtest it before you actually use a real account. Thank you so much for watching. The Master Trader himself here. Love you so much, and see you in the next video, guys.